Programming languages have come a long way since their inception, evolving from simple machine code to the sophisticated languages we use today. Imagine a time when computers were massive, room-sized machines, and programming was done in binary. Yes, that's right, just ones and zeros. The first programming language, known as assembly language, emerged in the 1940s. It allowed programmers to write instructions using mnemonic codes instead of raw binary, making it a bit more user-friendly. Fast forward to the 1950s when Fortran burst onto the scene. Developed by IBM, Fortran was revolutionary for scientific and engineering calculations. It introduced concepts like loops and conditionals, which are foundational in programming today. Soon after, COBOL arrived, designed for business applications. It was one of the first languages to emphasize readability, making it easier for non-programmers to understand the code. The 1960s and 70s saw the rise of languages like Lisp and ALGOL. Lisp, created for artificial intelligence research, introduced the idea of symbolic computation. ALGOL, on the other hand, influenced many future languages with its structured programming concepts. These languages laid the groundwork for more complex programming paradigms. Then came the 1980s, a transformative decade with the introduction of C. C was a game changer, offering low-level access to memory while still being portable across different systems. It became the backbone for many operating systems and paved the way for C++ in the late 1970s, which added object-oriented features. This shift allowed programmers to create more complex and reusable code. The 1990s ushered in a new era with the rise of the web. Languages like HTML and JavaScript became essential for web development. Java, with its write once, run anywhere philosophy, gained immense popularity, allowing developers to create cross-platform applications. This decade also saw the emergence of Python, which prioritized simplicity and readability, making it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. As we moved into the 2000s, the landscape continued to evolve. Ruby on Rails revolutionized web development with its emphasis on convention over configuration, while languages like C# and Swift emerged, catering to specific ecosystems like Microsoft and Apple. The rise of open-source software fostered a collaborative environment, leading to the rapid development of languages and frameworks. Today, we're witnessing a blend of old and new. Languages like Rust and Go are gaining traction for their performance and simplicity, while Python remains a powerhouse for data science and machine learning. The programming landscape is more diverse than ever, with languages tailored for specific tasks, from web development to artificial intelligence. Reflecting on this journey, it's fascinating to see how programming languages have shaped technology and our daily lives. Each language tells a story of innovation, problem-solving, and the relentless pursuit of making computers more accessible and powerful. As we look ahead, who knows what the next breakthrough in programming will be? The only certainty is that the evolution of programming languages will continue to inspire and challenge us in ways we can't yet imagine.